Hey everyone, this is Devan Patterson again, Business Central Consultant with Sabre Limited, and welcome to my fourth video of the new quality management feature in Business Central. Today we're actually going to put together our quality inspection templates, our results, and we're going to create an inspection on a PO that we're receiving for our O-rings. Well, we're not going to create the inspection. The inspection is going to be automatically generated because we set up those generation rules upon that PO receipt. The inspection will be created. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, I'm just going to go into my purchase orders. We'll go down to our latest PO from DuPont O-rings. Now from here, we're going to say it's ready to receive in. I know that this item is tracked, and we want to do lot tracking so we can attach the inspections to these lots so we know which lots are good and which lots are bad. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to assign a lot number, and we'll just call it 3 tag 255 tag 04. It's just a random lot number I made up. Obviously you can have your generated lot numbers too. So I'll close. I'll go ahead and post and receive. Okay, at the top here you can see that quality inspection was created. You can also view the quality inspections from these little menus over here. You have this new quality management tab where you can view the different inspections for these items or whatever you're receiving, whatever you have rules and templates set up for these quality inspections. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up from my notification at the top and complete my inspection. Now from here we can see all the details that's pulled in from the item card from that quality inspection template and everything that we've created in our previous videos. If you haven't seen any of those previous recordings I made for the quality management feature, then go ahead and review those when you get a chance, because that's where we really did a bunch of the setup to get to where we are now. So we have our full quantity of 250, and we set up a sample size on that quality inspection template saying a fixed quantity of 10. We want to pull 10 of those O-rings out each time, excuse me, and do our inspections on that sample size. You can also do a sample size based off of a percentage as well. We never order less than 250 O-rings. I like doing the fixed quantity of 10. We'll roll down here. And then we have all of our quality tests that I've also built out. So we have color, cross-section, ID, OD, visual, material. Some of these, the unit of measure code is blank because we're just typing in a value. It's an option value. And for the 3 in the middle, we actually have a measurement, physical measurement that we're doing in inches. So for our test value, going black, which is pass. See how it changed from fail to pass. These in progress ones, there's no value in it currently, so our passing is within a range between 0.275 and 0.28 for our actual cross section. So we'll say 0.2276, and it goes pass. It recognizes that as pass. Do 5.96. And we're doing our outside diameter measurement, and we measured 6.3. Now that goes to fail, but we did our measurements on our sample size, and it's coming out to about 6.3. So this batch is actually going to fail. And I'm going to show you what that means later on. In our next video, we're actually going to try and consume these O-rings on an assembly order, and we're going to see how this system, how Business Central reacts to that. But we're going to go ahead and say that our visual inspection is good. And our material inspection is good also. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this inspection. Now before we end this video, I want to run over to the item card. And I'm going to look at my items by my lots that I've received in the past and show you a few things, a few additions to with this quality management feature. So right here, if I just go to related, you can see there's a quality inspections section here under that related drop down. But I'm actually going to go to my item tab, and I'm going to do my item availability by my lot. we'll see a few more quality management feature additions here too. So here we have our quality results. This is our most recent lot that we just inspected, and you can see that the quality result is fail. I have another 2 that I've done in the past, and those are both passing. You can see your different quality inspection counts too. So 2, 3, we just have our 1 that we've created now. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show everything together with my quality inspection templates, my rule generations to actually automatically create that inspection based off of my PO receipt. And I wanted to show you what it looks like on that item card to see your different passing and failing lots. So again, in that next video, we're actually going to try and consume these O-rings on an assembly order, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so thank you for joining my video and about the new quality management feature in Business Central. If you have any questions about anything I've gone over in this recording or any other that I've done, just go ahead and reach out to me. You can also reach out to at sabrelimited.com. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for anything Business Central related. Thank you.